Hey everyone, welcome to another simple easy art video. Today we're drawing the heart eyes emoji. To get started, I use my Tombow markers: light yellow, yellow, dark yellow, red, maroon, light brown, medium dark brown, and a dark brown, a pencil, a compass, and a ruler. So to start out, you're going to get your compass and draw a perfect circle. And next we're going to draw the two heart eyes. Just try and make them as close to the same as you can. Now you're going to want to draw the mouth. The top of the mouth is going to be slightly below the bottoms of the hearts, and then just kind of hug the bottom of the circle to draw the bottom of the mouth. And then erase the outer edge of the circle and get your dark yellow marker and draw the outer edge of the circle, and then another circle slightly inside that circle. So you have two circles that kind of create a thick line that you'll color in later. Get your medium marker and make another circle inside the two circles you've already drawn. Now grab your dark yellow marker again and color in that outside line. And just be careful to stay inside the lines, just to keep the edge nice and clean. Now get your medium yellow, color in the other inner circle. Now grab your eraser and erase your pencil outlines just enough so you can still see them, but not totally, so you can use those outlines as a guide. Now get your light yellow marker and color in all the empty space in between the heart, eyes, and the mouth. And I like to draw the light colors first, because if you do the dark colors first with watercolor marker, it's easy to smudge. So I like to do the light colors first and then the dark colors later. Now get your medium yellow marker and start to blend. And to blend, all you do is you go over that edge and you just go back and forth over the edge, and that helps blend it in. Now grab your maroon marker, not the red marker, but the maroon, and start to outline the heart. You grab your straight edge or your ruler to do the bottom, and then I know I'm cheating using a template for the round parts of the heart, but I just like to make it look as exact as possible. But you can also freehand this or use a compass, but I'm just using the template. Now let's do the same for the second heart. And again, the edge is maroon, so you're going to want the edge to look a little bit darker than the inner part of the heart, and that's going to give it that shadow effect. Now just clean up the edges a little bit and get your red marker. And now you can start to color in the inside of the heart. And again, just be careful to stay inside the lines. The yellow outer part, then it'll start to smudge and look all messy. Now get your yellow marker and clean up any of the edges if you need to. be careful not to touch the red because then it'll smudge. Now get your brown marker, and this is the dark brown, and you're going to want to go around the edges one more time. And this is going to continue to add to the shadow effect of the eyes. So even though this is a brown on top of red, it's going to come out looking like a dark red. And then thicken up that outline just a little bit. This is the same brown marker, the dark brown. And just make the line a little bit thicker. Now get your maroon marker. And you're just going to go over the inside part of the brown lines with the maroon. And you can see the shading effect start to come out. There's a little smudge there, so I'm using my Tombow sand eraser to clean that up. Okay, so get your brown marker again, dark brown, and draw the mouth. I'm using a compass, but you can freehand it or use a compass. And get your light brown marker and color in the mouth. Now get your medium brown marker and start to color in the top part of the mouth, leaving just a little bit of the mouth with the light brown. Get your dark brown marker and thicken up the edge a little bit. Here's where you're just going to start to blend it in. A mix of the dark brown with the medium brown, and then get the light brown and just blend in the rest of the mouth. I'm just going to color in the eyes one more time with the red. Now I'm going to get the dark yellow marker or the orange. Start to just color in the edge again, just to make it a little bit more bold, a little bit more pronounced. Do a little bit more blending. Get your yellow marker, start to blend it again. Just keep going over those lines. And now you're going to want your white colored pencil, and just around the outside of the dark brown edge you're going to want to make a white line, and it's going to look like a light yellow because you're coloring on top of yellow. So once you're done with both of the eyes, you're going to want to make the top part of the emoji white. So I'm using a compass, and it's like a rainbow that's connecting the two outer edges, the two top outer edges of the heart. And then you're just going to want to color in that forehead section of the face. And as you get lower, you're going to want to blend it. So you don't want it to be a line, you just want it to be kind of a fade into the yellow. Just keep coloring it in, coloring it in. As you go down, lighten up the pressure on the pencil. Then I'm just going to make another line at the top, just to show the contrast and make it more pronounced. Color in, that's with the orange. And then I'm going to get the yellow marker and blend it. And that's it. I hope you guys like the heart eyes emoji. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, everyone.